Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'm starting my YouTube channel. I've always wanted to do it and I'm trying to get better at posting videos, so here we are. Anyways, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty new nude palette, and I'm going to be testing the shades out, telling you what I think, and recreating this look. Ignore this eye. So yeah, if you're interested, keep on watching. Thanks. Here are the colors. They are so freaking pretty. I'm gonna swatch all of them for you guys so you guys can see, and then I'm gonna go in with a tutorial just to see like how the formula is. I'm sorry for the lighting, it's like really bad right now, but it's okay, we're gonna work with it. So the first color I'm gonna be taking, oh, this is with the whole palette, it comes with like a little mirror. Okay, so the first color I'm going to be taking is Bear. I'm into my bathroom so you can see the colors. There's better lighting in here, but I'm not going to film in here. But like, as you can see what I mean by the mattes, they're pretty choppy, and the glitters. But those other glitters, those like pressed glitters are like beautiful. Those three colors, the first three colors are pretty alright, but as you get to the darker shades, they get pretty choppy. And then here are the other three. Alright, so I will say that, you know, they're pretty like normal, they're pretty buttery. The only ones that I did have a problem with were these. So like the true glitter ones, those were like horrible to swatch on the arms, but these glitter ones were like so bomb. I really like those. Those just like swept on. So I guess the only way to see how it applies on the eyes is to actually apply on the eye. So I'm going to be taking a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Teddy. So it's going to be this one right here. Ooh, okay. So there was a lot of fallout. I should have let you guys see that. Look. It's pretty, a lot of fallout. I guess that's good to mix the color. As for pigment, you know, they're alright. It's not like extremely pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, on camera it looks pigmented, but I guess they are. They're alright. It's kind of hard to blend out, I think. There's like a little patchy spots that will not blend out. I don't know if you can see that. You see, like, it's pretty patchy and it's really hard to blend out. So I guess it's take a little more extra time. I don't know. It's definitely one of those pigments where wherever you put it first, it's gonna cling to the most. So you really have to work it to blend it out. Okay. I'm gonna go in now with but I kind of like Secret. I should have went in with Secret. I'm gonna go in with Raw. So I'm going to be taking kind of a pointed brush like this, and raw is this color right here. This one right here. Okay, so this one too. And I'm just going to be putting that on my inner crease, so just below where I made my crease there. I'm going to be taking that into my inner corner, windshield wipers, and circular motions. I don't know if you can see. I mean, they are gorgeous colors. They are really pigmented. Just kind of hard to blend out. So you're going to have to take your time. Flat brush like this. And I'm going to get the lightest color, which is Bare. So this color right here. And I'm going to apply that on, again, my lid. We'll just working that in. Okay, I'm going to go in with Daydream right here. And I'm going to apply that on the center of my lid. Okay, so this one didn't really have fallout. This is what it looks like on the brush. And I'm going to apply that on the center of my lid. Sorry, I'm trying to... Wow, it's really buttery on the eye. Oh, it's a really pretty color too. Just packing that on. I don't know if you can see that. I really like these glitters in the palette. I kind of wish she sold the glitters like separate, like a whole palette just of these glitters right here. So the formula for these glitters are like really smooth. The mattes, they're alright, but you know, I don't think they're anything like all that. I like the glitters the most. That's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that same brush and I'm gonna take the kinky one. So this bad boy right here, it's kind of like its own formula. I don't see another one in the palette like this. So I'm just gonna take a little, no fallout on that one too, pretty good. And I'm just gonna be working on like the outer section. Wow, that's really pigmented too. I'm just taking that in. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean all this up. What I like to do too is I like to go in back with the color I started with, my transition color, and just blend my whole look together. So I'm going to be going back in with that color and just kind of blending everything so there's no like harsh lines. Take a small brush like this, go back in with the first color, the Teddy. I'm going to be applying that in my lower lash line. Lash line. I wish I had better lighting and better setup so you guys can actually see kind of better what it looks like. This is what we're working with so far. I'm going to take a concealer and I'm just going to clean up the sides. Going in with the brush Ladies. I'm just going to make that crisp. So dip, clean the dip. Take a small beauty blender like this and just softly press it. Get it to blend. And oh, I forgot to leave my eyeliner out. I don't want to put eyeliner on this. I'll just focus on the color itself. I'm gonna apply some lashes and then I'll be back with the final eye color. Alright, so I put my lashes on. This one, it looks horrible, so ignore it. But like, this is the finished look. So my final thoughts are, oh, you know what? Let me put a lip gloss because I be looking weird. This is a Fenty gloss. I love this gloss. So then I'll have a finished look. Why are you looking at me? Alright. So this is the final look now. This is what it looks like. So my final thoughts on the new Huda Beauty palette is I think it's a very, very good palette for for Valentine's Day. It's a really romantic palette and it's just gorgeous. The colors are gorgeous. The darker shades like these two, these, I wish those had a better formula because those are kind of hard to blend. The lighter shades are really easy to blend, and like these colors I absolutely love, like those shimmer colors. But it's a decent palette. It's not like a horrible palette, but it's not like the best palette out there. But I mean, for $65, I think it's pretty decent. The colors are beautiful. I wouldn't use this on an everyday basis. I would use it if I want to like go out for a girl's day or feel girly. Yeah, those are my final thoughts. You would have to try it out yourself, of course, to see if you like it. But for me, I like it. I think it's a really pretty palette and I had fun with this look. So yeah, thank you guys for joining my channel and watching it if you watched it. Yeah, I'm going to try to put more videos up with better quality. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff, and check out my Instagram and all that. Thank you. Bye.